Everyone, this is Logan from Lucky Trader, going to do a quick tutorial for you about how to add and install a MetaMask wallet to your browser. MetaMask is a browser extension wallet, so whether you be using Google Chrome or the Brave browser, Firefox, if you just head to your extension store, in this example I'm using the Brave browser, if you head to your extension store and search for MetaMask, you'll quickly find an offering from MetaMask.io. You want to validate that for legitimacy. Has lots of users, lots of solid reviews. Once we're here, we can quickly add this to our browser, just like any other extension. It'll take just a few seconds. And once it's populated for us and been added to our browser, we can get started setting up a wallet for compatibility with the decentralized web, Web 3.0. So if I just hit get started, I'll have the option to recover an existing wallet. If you had bred some CryptoKitties in 2017, started with MetaMask, and created a wallet but have not used it in a long time, you could simply recover that with the secret recovery phrase, sometimes called the seed recovery phrase, just by importing the string of 12 or 24 words that you would have jotted down at that point in time. However, if we've never interacted with the decentralized web, we can create a brand new wallet in just a couple quick steps. So I'm going to hit create a new wallet. We have the opportunity, if we so wish, to help MetaMask by gathering some data about usage. I'll just hit no thanks for this example. First line of defense, of course, is going to be a password. So we want to make sure this is a very secure password. I'll get started like this. After we've gotten the password underway, the most important part, perhaps, is the recovery phrase and securing our wallet with a recovery phrase. There are a few tips from MetaMask here on the right side of the screen, a quick video for you to watch and learn a little bit more about what this is. I'm going to hit next. This is where, though, we have the opportunity to actually generate that and then jot these words, a string of words, down for safekeeping. Of course, this is very, very important. It is the only way really to back up and restore our account should we lose our password or the device in which our wallet is set up. So we do not wish to ever disclose this with anyone ever. We want to keep it written down offline and hidden and secured in very secure locations. If you really wish to get this started, you can just click here to reveal the secret words. Jot those down, follow all the steps, make sure you feel comfortable. In this example, I'm just going to hit remind me later and show you that in just those 2 or 3 steps, I've now generated and created a MetaMask wallet that is ready for use on the decentralized web.